Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we are installing a 2015 Toyota Highlander. In this video, I'm going to show you the feature that come with the system and also how to use the system as well. The original car comes with the regular screen, 5 inches. This is the original screen, and then now we replace it with our 10.1 inches high definition screen. I'm going to show you step by step how to use the system and the feature that come with the system as well. First of all, let's start from the GPS. The system comes with the off-night GPS. It also comes with the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth phone call, Bluetooth music. It supports the steering wheel control. You can see that you can also use the steering wheel control to control the system as well. And it also supports the original camera too. This is the original camera here. It's very nice. And this one also supports the CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Okay, so basically the navigation is off-night. You do not need to connect to any GPS. You can also set up the default navigation software under the setting, car setting, navigation. You can change this one to built-in one. Okay, this is the off-night version. Okay, so basically how to use the navigation, you just need to click on the bottom right corner here and then new road address, then you can enter the address right here. You do not need to connect any Wi-Fi to use the GPS because it's off-night. We will also preload the navigation map for you based on your country. Pull down a little bit from the top, you can see the home button right here. This is the Bluetooth here. You also support the Bluetooth phone call and Bluetooth music as well. Okay, so radio is right here. The sound quality is excellent. Okay, and you can. This system also comes with DSP and equalizer as well. You can also adjust the sound quality. Depends on your personal preference. Okay. Alright, and then you also come with the leverage. So basically you can also, once you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can also access to the internet, and you can watch the Netflix on your own, you know. This system also comes with video in motion. So basically you can still watch the Netflix while the car is moving, but of course not for the driver, it's for the passenger. Pull down a little bit from the upper left corner, then you will click the home, go back to the home screen. You can also, we will preload some of the software for you, like the Waze and the Spotify and the YouTube as well. This is the YouTube right here. Very nice. You can also go to the internet browser right here. You can also browse the internet. It's like a tablet. It's very nice, very cool. Okay, and the screen resolution actually is very high. It's very clear as well. You can also download any application from the Google Play Store right here. The Google Play Store is right here. Yeah. You can also use the Google Map as well. The Google Map is built in. This is the newest version of the Google Map. You can download the Google Map data to the unit. You see the offline map right here. Alright, and then you can also go to the control setting right here. It also support all the original feature, you know. If your car doesn't have this feature, you might not be able to use it, but it's very nice. Okay, and this one also support the movie to the USB, and then you can play that on the system as well. For example,
a necessary shock to the system. I am human evolutionary change. Bulletproof.
Perfect. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. This system can also be purchased from our website www.autotecpro.com. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.